Does saying after an answer or before you answer something to the effect of, "I truly believe," or "it truly is," damage your credibility as a lay witness in court, or is it better simply not to add these types of qualifiers? First, whether you truly believe something or find it hard to believe, testifying to something you believe or don't believe, as opposed to testifying as to something you know, is the first and biggest problem. Testifying about something you believe but do not know is inadmissible testimony. Testifying based upon belief as opposed to personal knowledge, whether you testify that you believe or don't believe a thing to be true, is known in legal parlance as speculative, and speculative testimony is objectionable and inadmissible. Speculation is no different than guessing, and it would be frighteningly unfair to decide a case based upon beliefs instead of upon facts if the facts are known. Second, and somewhat ironically, trying to qualify or bolster your statement to make it more believable may have the opposite effect. Adding qualifiers to your testimony may raise the question as to why you would add them. For example, if you were to answer a question with, "To be honest, I do or don't know," using that phrase, or to say, "To be honest," that's unnecessary. So one could, not must, but could infer that someone who starts a statement with, "To be honest," may often answer questions dishonestly as a general matter, which is why the person distinguishes between when he or she speaks honestly, to be honest, and when she does not. So why introduce the doubt as to whether your credibility is at stake when there is no need to do so? Better to say merely, "I don't know," and "yes" and "no," than to say, "To be honest, I don't know," or "To tell the truth, I do or I don't know." Many people have the linguistic tic or affectation of responding to questions with the phrase, "I believe," when in fact such people are not guessing or speculating, but they actually know. Imagine a situation where the witness left the office on a particular day, and that's a crucial fact to be established. Imagine that the witness knows precisely when he or she left the office that day, 5:15 p.m. When such a person is testifying and says in response to the question as to what time he or she left the office at the end of the day, quote, "I believe I left the office at 5:15 p.m., close quote, then the witness is needlessly confusing the judge and or jury. Saying "I believe" before making a statement of fact changes that statement of fact into a statement of speculation, a guess, even if you don't mean it to.